Hello and welcome to Learning Science. In this video, I will talk about how you can add, delete, update records in database or a spreadsheet from Power BI. Let us jump to the computer for the demo. The first requirement is you have to create Power App application with add, delete and update functionality. You can see on your screen I have created a Power App application to add, delete and update records, and I will explain you the app functionality when we will add this to Power BI. If you do not know how to create a Power App application, please watch our step-by-step videos how to create a Power App. Link of those video in description box of this video. After spending 10 minutes, you will be in position to create Power App by yourself. Let me jump to Power BI desktop and show you my data table first. So this is my data table and this is a Excel sheet and store on OneDrive. And this Excel sheet is connected with Power App. And now we have connected with Power BI as well. Now let me add a table here. And I will populate all the columns from my data table. So first name, last name, agent name, VIP level, and location. And you can add also customer number. OK. So this is my Power BI table. Now I need to add visual for Power App. So here you can see Power App for Power BI. So click here. And I will increase the size of this visual. So now adjustment is done. And what you have to do here, you can see the Power App data from your data table. Add any one of the field. So I'm adding first name. Now you can see two options, choose app or create new app. So I have already created. So I will select from here customer demo and click add button to add. So I don't want to go to the Power App Studio. So I'll say skip and I will close this. So now my Power App is added here. Now what I'm going to do, I will add a new record from here. Amar is my agent name. Customer name is 10101. Date of joining is today. And name is Ajay Kumar. Location USA. Passport number 10101 and VIP level 1. Now from here I can save the record. So now Ajay Kumar is added here and saved in spreadsheet. Now I want to see this Ajay Kumar here in the Power BI. So as I'm using a Power BI desktop, so it will not automatically refresh. Once you will publish the report in Power BI service, you can you can schedule the refresh. So from here I will refresh manually. So now you can able to see the Ajay Kumar is added here. OK. Now let me edit this record. So now I'm going to change VIP level to 2. So you have to click here and you go to edit screen, and from here you can change 2 and click on the save button. And let me refresh my data table again. Now you can see the VIP level is 2. Now let me delete this record. So I'll go here and I will delete the record. And let me refresh the data table again. Now record is removed from the Power BI table. That's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.